Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 550 model. Basically it's used, but it's in great shape. And it's actually it speaks Spanish, instead of English. So I would say it's a Spanish version. But if you guys don't mind saying something in Spanish, I guess it's okay. It's pretty much only when there's errors or something, or like if you get stuck or need something. I'll show you in a second how it does it. Anyways, so basically the battery is brand new, and you got a brand new filter. It comes with it. 2 virtual walls. They do come with batteries, used batteries. So anyway, used batteries, but this virtual walls just work great. Yeah, power adapter or charger. And docking station. It's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. If you have questions, please let me know. Alright, and the Roomba itself. The faceplate here is brand new. Alright, so it's a brand new faceplate. The pictures have a little more details of the bumper areas, so it's hard to see on the video. Alright, here's the bottom side of it. The side brush is in great shape here, 6-legged side brush. Front wheel, it's in good shape. Has a model number in case anybody interested in. So everything has been cleaned as best as we could, but I'm on the dustbin here. Here's a vacuum bin, dustbin. This piece of the plastic right here, it looks like it's cracked, but it's not really. I mean, you can't feel the cracks or anything. It's fine. So it's just like it has a little spider effect, but it's not cracked anywhere. I mean, you can't feel it. It works fine. There's no issues with it. So yeah, you don't feel it here or there on the other side. So it's not sure what that. Anyways, works great. Has no effect and no issues on it. Just a cosmetic issue. Alright, so the brushes have been cleaned, and this is the newer clean head module, which is modified a little bit to keep the dirt and debris out of the gearbox. The gearbox itself has been cleaned and make sure it was all relubed and make sure it works good. Serial number in case anybody interested in. Alright, so I'll put it back together and show you that it works, and let you listen to the Spanish version. I'll do a straight run so you guys see the straight runs. So everything has been checked, make sure everything works fine. The bumper sensors work fine. And I'll show you the Spanish part of it.
Traslade Roomba a una nueva ubicación y pulse Clean, limpiar para reiniciar.
So.
Traslade Roomba a una nueva ubicación y pulse Clean, limpiar.
Well, anyways, it's just pretty much an error effect. So like I was lifting the left wheel, it was saying something. If I lift the right wheel, it'll say something too.
Traslade Roomba a una nueva ubicación y pulse Clean, limpiar para reiniciar.
And I'm gonna try to push the button with cliff sensors off.
Traslade Roomba a una nueva ubicación y pulse Clean, limpiar para reiniciar.
Anyway, so speak Spanish. Well, I just thought you guys let know. But yeah, if you guys don't mind that, it's great for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Happy bidding.